Clear? So in order to make past tense, I have to use our present tense, our present tense plus pepe of the verb. Now, for example, if I will say I spoke, I spoke. Straight away, you have to understand the formula of past verb. Like our present of is what? Je. Our present tense of what? I. With je, tell me yes or no.
Yeah.
With I conjugation, my hour is je. C'est clair.
Yeah.
Je spoke parler et aigu. C'est clair. This
Yeah.
is my I spoke. Because what I do is I have to make our present tense, okay, our present. It means in order to make past tense, I have to use our present by default and pepe of the verb. But as explained to you, we have to use in past. We have two families. We have two families.
Family.
One is our and one is Esther. Say Claire. Say Claire. Why?
Yes, sir.
We have few verbs which will conjugate with être and we have few verbs which will conjugate with avoir. Now, but we have only 14 verbs. Tell me, repte apne mom. We have only 14 verbs.
14 work.
We have only 14 verbs which you have to remember. It means 14 house verbs. The family of être is only 14 verbs. The rest we have our family. C'est clair. Now, par exemple, répétez après moi. If you say I spoke, if you say I spoke, and you will say I went. So I will explain to you in a very detailed way. In a very detailed, I will explain to you. It is just in a very beginner. I just want to give you some idea about the French past verb. So I spoke parler. Parley belong to our family. Répétez après moi. Parley belong to our family.
Our family.
Aller is my verb to go. That's why it's went in past. Go went, right? And aller belongs to my être family. Say Claire. Why?
Yes.
If I will say I spoke. Répétez après moi. I
Spoke.
spoke. What I will
Spoke.
say? I can make yeah,
Je parle.
j'ai parlé. EAQ. Claire. J'ai parlé.
Parler.
But if I will say I went, I will say je suis because être je is suis, je suis, c'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Je suis
Je
allé.
suis.
E,
Like, sir, uh, our is present verb. So, like, how it become past?
no, no. I will explain to you again. Listen to me
Mhm.
carefully. See, in order to make past tense, right? Right? In order to make past tense, we have to use, that's a rule of the French language. We have to use the past participle of the verb, pepe. Like for example, if we have verb ale, so ale pepe is what? A-L-L-E ague. Say Claire.
Oui.
But this
Mm.
is not your complete past. No. Because in order to make past tense, either you have to use our present or either you have to use être present.
Notre present.
But we have to understand which verb belongs to our family, and I will explain to you. I will give you verbs also, right? You have to understand which verb belongs to my our family and which verb belongs to my être family. Now, ale is my verb. This is my that belongs to my être family. That
Notre
belongs to
family.
my être family. Say clear. So the rule of past tense. That's the rule of the past tense. This is a rule of the past tense. Like we have to make être present tense. We have to, there's a rule of the past tense in French. Être
Mhm.
present tense plus past participle of the verb. So I will say I went. So aller belongs to my être family verb, right? Aller belongs to my être family verb. So tell me what is être? Je with je suis Claire, je suis
We.
Claire, and
Mhm.
Yes.
then we have what? PP of the verb. ALLE.
Aller.
Être présent, être present tense
Present.
plus past tense
Plus.
plus PP of the main verb. Je suis allé. This is my I went. That's a rule. Forget
Just.
about je suis, I am gone. No, it is not like that. No. This is a rule of French language. If you really want to convert your past tense, so you have to use two verbs. One is être and one is avoir. So, but you have to use their present tense plus PP of the verb plus past participle of the verb. Say clair. Is it clear to you? I will
Yes, sir.
explain to you. You
Yes.
will come to know. Don't worry. You will come to know slowly and gradually. Now, for example, uh, we have 14 housework basically. Now I will explain to you, like, what are those verbs? What are those verbs which belongs to être? What are those verbs which belongs to être? Say Claire, I will take you in a different notepad. 1 second, please. 1 second. I'm just opening a different notepad. Okay. Summer and Manpreet, is it clear to you? I
Yes,
will
sir.
explain to you.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Let me take you to a different notepad. Let me share the screen. Okay, now over here. Can you see the screen? That's a
Yes,
diagram.
sir.
Can you see the diagram?
We.
Summer, can you see the diagram?
Yes, sir.
This is la maison d'être. La maison d'être. La maison is your house, the house of être, d'être. Because these être, because we have a house, घर है हमारा, être का. We have these verbs, all these verbs that belongs to my être family verb. All these verbs belongs to my être family verb. Say Claire. Because we have a differentiate between our and être family. If I want to convert my past tense, I'm saying either I will use our family or either I will use être family. But
Être.
how I will come to know these verb will conjugate with être family? Now you have to understand être family verb. So répétez après moi, naître. Répétez après moi, naître.
Naître.
Naître. Naître is my verb to born. Naître is my verb to born. पैदा.
Bon.
So naître is my verb to born. So naître is my être family verb. Say Claire. Say Claire.
Mhm.
Now repeat after.
Yes, sir.
It's a very important verb. Naître. Naître. Rester. Rester is my verb to rest. Rester is my verb to rest. Tomber. Pen down, please. Tombe, pen down in notepad. 14 house verbs. 14 family verbs. Say Claire. Claire. Now let's say
Yes.
pen down in a notepad. Naître is my verb to born, which is my, okay, make a heading like this. Être. Make a heading in a notepad. Okay. Être family.
Mhm.
Make a heading like this. Être family. Claire. D'accord? Okay.
Oui.
And Pen down, please. Netre. Repte après moi.
To
Netre
born.
is to born. Belongs to my être family verb. Rester is to rest. Belongs to my être family verb. Claire, tell me yes or no.
Sorry. Yes, sir.
Tombe is my verb to fell down. Gir jana, to fell down is my être family verb. Claire.
Yes.
Descendre is to get down. Descendre is to get down. That belongs to my être family verb. Monte is to go up. Monte is to go up.
Monte.
Descendre is to get down. Répétez après moi. Descendre is to get down. That belongs to my être family verb. All of these verbs are my être family verb. Monte is to go up. Now today you will come to know a lot of verb pattern, the vocabularies. And we will conjugate also. That's not a problem. So répétez après moi. Naître. Répétez après moi. Naître.
Natra.
Rester is to rest. Répétez après moi.
Raste.
Tomber is to
Raste.
fall down. Répétez après moi. Tomber is to
Tombe. Fall down.
descendre. Descendre
Descendre.
is to get down. Répétez après moi. Descendre is to get down.
Get down.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Monte.
Yes.
Yeah.
Monte is to go up. Répétez après moi. Monte. Monte is to go up. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Why?
Yeah.
Oui.
So the next we have is rentre. Rentre is to re-enter. Entrer is to rentre. Répétez après moi. Entrer, rentre. Entrer is to enter. Rentre is to re-enter. Entrer. This is my entrer. E-N-T-R-E-R. Entrer. Répétez après moi. Entrer. En
Entre.
sound is on. En sound is on. Entrer. Entrer is to enter.
Entre.
The moment you will insert R in the beginning, that is rentre is to re-enter. C'est clair. C'est clair. Why?
Oui.
Now, venir. Répétez après moi. Venir. Have you seen the figures? I'm
Venir.
on this figure. Have you seen that? Why?
Yes, sir.
Venir is my verb to come. Venir. Venir is my verb to come. Say,
Come.
okay. The next we have is partir. Partir is to leave. Partir. Répétez après moi. Partir. Partir is my verb to leave. These all are my, what I would say, être family verb. Sortir. Sortir is to go out. Partir is my verb to leave. Sortir is my verb to go out. Passer. Passer is my verb to pass. You can understand how you can understand, être family verb. You can use the things you are using by your walk, with your legs. Like natural first you born, so you use your legs because you cannot speak, you cannot walk. So you use your legs. Raste, okay, rest. Tombe, with your legs you fell down. Descendre, with your legs you do something. Monte is to go up with your
Yes.
leg, you are using your legs. Entre, you are using your legs. Venir, come, you're using your legs. Partir, you are living, you are using your legs. Claire, sortir is to go out, you are using your legs. Say Claire. Passe is to pass, you are using your legs. So you can understand the verb like this. Say Claire, in which your legs are is in movement. Say Claire, in which your legs are in movement.
Oui.
So these are my être family verb. Now we have retourner and revenir. Retourner is to turn back and revenir is to again turn back. Okay, revenir, come back. So again, whenever you are coming back, it means you are using your legs, movement of the legs. Say Claire.
Yeah.
Aller is my verb to go. Again, you are using your legs, right? Arrive is to arrive. When you arrive, so it means obviously you are arriving somewhere, you are using your legs. Now, till born, From born till your death, murir, die. End of the day, you die, and murir, to death, to die. So from born till die, in which you are using your leg movement, these are my être family verb. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Naître is to born. Répétez après moi. Naître,
Netra is to born.
clair. Rester is to rest.
Rest is to rest.
Is to rest.
Tomber is to fell down. Répétez après
Tombe
moi.
is to fall down.
C'est clair? Venir is to come.
Munir is to come.
C'est clair. Partir is to leave. Répétez après moi.
Father
Partir.
is to leave.
Sortir is to go out.
Sorter is to go out.
C'est clair. Arriver is to arrive.
Arrive is to
Arrive is
arrive.
to right.
Retourner. Rentrer.
Right.
C'est clair. Retourner, rentrer, mourir, sortir. C'est clair. Aller. C'est clair. D'accord? Why? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let me take you to notepad now. Now. Okay. Now my first verb is naître. Répétez après moi. So naître is my verb to born. Répétez après moi. Naître. Over here we have naître. Naître is my verb to born. C'est clair? D'accord? Now we'll do first present conjugation of naître verb. C'est clair? D'accord? Now répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. The present tense of naître verb is je n'ai. Répétez après moi. Je n'ai.
Journey.
Tu n'es. Tu n'es. Elle n'est. Ok? Nous naissons.
Nous naissons.
Vous
Nous
naissez.
naissez.
Elle naissent.
Elle naît.
C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Je n'ai, tu n'es, elle naît, nous naissons, vous naissez, elle naissent. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Clair? Now, what would be my past of nature? Like I would say, I born, okay, my paida. I born at, that's past also. C'est clair? So my nature, répétez après moi, my nature pepe. My nature pepe is né. My nature pepe is né. Répétez après moi. Nature pepe is né. You have to understand
Né.
now. Nature pepe is né. Répétez après
Né.
moi. Nature pepe is né.
Né.
C'est clair. D'accord? Why? If I will say, I born at. I born at. So I have to use être
Je suis.
Yes.
je suis né. C'est clair? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So over here, because these are my être family verb. These are my être family.
Family verb.
C'est clair? D'accord? So je suis né, tu es né. C'est clair? Il, elle est né, tu es né, il, because over here I'm using être, tu es être, il, elle est être, nous sommes être, vous êtes être, ils, elles sont être. It is just I'm applying né, the pepe last me. Né, né, né. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Tell me
Yes,
yes and
sir.
no. Now, one thing you have to understand, I will explain to you, which is very, very important. First, you have to understand this and then tell me you understood. Now read this, please. Read it out, please. The past tense of net verb. Tell me. The past tense.
Yes.
Je suis né.
Because the pepe, the past of netter is ne. Claire. Okay. And I will say, I born at. So I will say, je suis né. Tu es né. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? So the formula of past tense is what? Now you vous comprenez? The formula of past tense, être conjugation plus participe
फिर
of the verb. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
oui,
But in case of être verb, repeat after me. I have to do one thing also. Now, for example, Manpreet, you are girl, okay, and you will say je
oui,
suis né. If you're a girl, for girl you have to insert e over here, then
oui,
extra e because you are a girl. If you're a boy
okay,
somewhere, you no need to insert e. You
Mm,
just you have to write till n e agu. Take that. In
yes.
case of girl,
Mm,
in case of past tense, only in case of verb, not in case of our, only in case of ether, you have to insert e. Say clear.
okay,
Now, for example, I will say LA ne girl hai, so I will insert e at the end.
oui,
Say clear. Tell me yes
okay,
or no.
oui,
If we have a lot of, if we have plural, like nous sommes ne, plural, I have to insert S at the end. For plural, I have to insert S. Claire, tell me yes or no.
oui,
And if I will say elles sont nées. So over here we have female plural. So female is E and plural is S.
oui,
S.
yes, yeah, yes,
If I will say ils sont nés, it means this is my male plural. So plural we have S. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
yes, sir,
yeah.
Why? So repte apre moi. Natural conjugation in terms of present and past. Repeat it, please.
je suis né,
Mm-hmm.
tu es né, elle est née,
Mm-hmm.
nous sommes nés,
Mm-hmm.
vous,
Vous
vous êtes
aimez.
né,
Vous êtes.
et
Repte apre moi.
vous êtes
Vous
né,
Uh-huh.
vous êtes né, elles sont nées.
Say Claire. Now, can you conjugate reste verb in terms of present tense? Can you conjugate to yourself reste in terms of present and past?
reste.
So it's a ray,
Reste. E L
pp,
U. देखो क्या करोगे आप? R E S T E R. Okay, tell me first the present tense of reste verb. You have ear ending verb.
it's ray,
Je reste.
So what you will do? E E S E O N S E Z E N T. This is my rule of ear ending verb. Claire, tell me yes or no.
Yes.
yes, sir,
So how you will conjugate present tense? Tell me. Reste verb. How you will conjugate present tense of reste verb? You will say je reste.
Je reste.
Claire, tu restes. May I write it down? Tell me, or you can do this. Tell me. Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Okay, I will explain to you. Very simple. This is my ear ending verb. Okay. This is my ear ending verb. So what
yeah,
you will do? Je reste, tu restes. Present tense, il reste because we have e, resto, reste, rest. Can you do that?
Yes.
yes, sir,
So reste it belongs to my agu, agu over here. So if you say I rested past, so what you will say? After family verb,
Je, ah,
je suis,
je suis,
resté. Vous comprenez?
mhm.
No? Okay, I will explain to you. इसको रीड करो आप. Je suis resté, tu es resté, but
tu
it's
es resté,
nous
il
sommes
est
restés,
resté, nous sommes restés,
vous êtes restés,
vous êtes restés,
elles sont.
elles sont restées.
Tell me, is it clear to you, Summer?
Yes, sir,
Yes. Sir.
I understand because it is something like a bit tricky in a very initial stage, but very simple. E agu, Claire, d'accord? Why?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And just
yes,
it is just you have to use at present tense plus PP of the verb. Reste e aigu. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Now, now we have one-ear conjugation. So one-ear is also my at family verb to come because you are using your legs. One-ear is my verb to come. Claire.
Yes.
So tell me, have you done one-ear verb yesterday? Je viens, tu viens. Claire, have you done? Tell me, Manpreet. And
Yes,
someone, one-ear verb have you done? Je viens,
Mm.
tu viens,
Il,
elle
elle
vient.
vient.
Claire, nous venons,
Nous
we are one.
venons,
Yeah,
vous
who,
venez,
venez.
elles
Il, elle
viennent.
vient.
we,
So this is my one-ear verb in terms of present tense. So répétez après moi. Je viens, tu viens,
je viens, tu
tu
viens,
viens, elle
elle
vient,
vient.
nous venons, vous venez, elles viennent.
Elle vient.
Claire, tell me yes and no. Why?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yeah.
Now, one year. Pepe is one U. The Pepe of one year is one U.
When you,
Yes. The Pepe of one year is one U and one year is my H family verb. So if you will say I came, so what you will say?
just,
Yes, je suis one U.
just
Claire,
is when you.
Claire, tu es,
Yes, sir.
tu es one U.
When,
Say Claire. Now you got the concept. You understand the concept? Elle
yes, sir. L,
est
A,
one U. Say Claire. Nous sommes one U. Claire. Vous êtes
who's that?
one U. Claire.
Yes, sir.
Elles sont one U. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you have a girl, if you are a girl, so you
Then
can
E,
say E. Claire. LA one U, we can insert E. We
E,
have plural, nous sommes one U, we can insert S. Claire.
S.
Is it clear to you? Elles sont
Yes, sir.
one U E S because we
E,
have a
S.
girl and il we have S. Say Claire. D'accord?
We,
इसको repeat करो please. Repeat it please. Repeat करो इसको आप.
just we,
हम्म
when you,
हम्म
tu es venu, il,
हम्म
elle est venu, nous
हम्म.
sommes venus, vous êtes venus, ils, elles sont venus.
Say Claire. D'accord? Why?
Oui,
Now we have verb partir. We have a verb partir. So partir is my verb to leave. We have verb partir.
Yeah.
Now partir again you're living with your legs. Say Claire. Say Claire. D'accord.
oui,
So how will do that partir verb? I can say I can say
Je suis.
let me take it. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi.
je
Je,
pars,
je pars. Claire. Tu pars because we have verb partir. The present tense of partir is répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. Je
je
pars.
pars,
Tu pars. Tu.
tu pars,
Elle part. Répétez après moi. Elle part.
il,
Répétez.
elle part,
Nous partons. Répétez après moi.
Nous
Partons. C'est clair.
pardon,
vous
D'accord. Vous partez. C'est clair. D'accord. And elle part. C'est clair. Now répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. je pars. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Tu pars. We
Je
can
pars.
my partir conjugation in terms of present tense. C'est clair. Now répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après moi. Je pars.
Je pars. Tu pars.
Pars.
Elle part.
Nous
Nous
partons.
partons.
Vous partez.
Vous partez.
Party.
Elle
Elle
part.
part.
Party.
C'est clair. D'accord? Now what?
Oui.
Répétez après moi. Partir verb. Tell me partir verb. Je pars. Tu pars. Elle part. Nous partons. Vous partez. Elle part. So the participe passé of partir verb is parti. The participe passé of partir verb is parti. Say
Parti.
clair. Tell me yes and no. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
So we can say je suis parti. Tu
Parti.
es parti. Elle est. Il
Parti.
est parti. Elle est partie. Nous sommes partis. Vous êtes partis. Ils sont partis. Elles sont parties. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Après moi. Because partir, you are using your again your movement, your legs. So these are my. So tell me the present tense of partir verb. Tell me. Répétez après moi. Je pars. Répétez après
Je
moi.
pars.
Je pars.
Hmm.
Tu pars.
Tu pars.
Elle part.
Elle
Elle
part.
part.
Very good. Très bien.
Nous
Nous
partons.
partons.
Vous
Vous
partez.
partez. Elle part.
Elle part.
C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Why? So, if I will say the past tense of partir, okay, is,
Je
I
suis
left.
parti.
Yes, je suis parti. Répétez après moi.
Tu es,
Tu es
tu es
parti.
parti.
Il,
Elle est
elle
partie.
est parti.
Nous
Nous
sommes
sommes partis. Vous êtes partis.
partis.
Il,
Elles sont parties.
c'est clair. Tell me, Summer and Manpreet, is it clear to you?
Oui.
Why?
Yes.
Now, we have verb sortir. We have verb sortir.
Partir.
Sortir is my verb to go out. Have you done sortir verb? That's the same because we are using our leg. These are all our active family verb. So répétez après moi. Je sors. Tu sors. Répétez après moi. Je sors. Répétez après moi.
Je sors.
Tu sors. Répétez après moi.
Tu
Elle
sors.
sort. Répétez après moi.
Elle sort.
Nous sortons. Vous sortez.
Nous sortons.
Vous sortez. Elle sort. So sortir is my verb to go out. Répétez après moi. Je sors. Tu sors. Elle
Je sors.
sort. Nous sortons. Vous sortez. Elle sort. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Oui.
Yes.
So the past of sortir is sorti. The pepe. Répétez après moi. Pen down please. The pepe of sortir verb is sorti.
Sorti.
So what I will do? Je suis
Je
sorti.
suis sorti.
Tu es sorti. Répétez après moi.
Je suis sorti.
Je suis sorti.
Mhm.
Tu
Tu es
sorti.
sorti.
Mhm.
Elle
Elle
est sortie.
Mhm.
Nous
Nous sommes sortis.
Mhm.
vous
Vous êtes
vous
sortis.
sorti.
Mhm. Mhm.
Ils sont
Elles
sortis.
sont sorties.
Vous comprenez, Summer and Manpreet? You understand the concept?
Yes.
Is it looking like tough or normal or ठीक था, कौन सा? It is tricky, right?
कौन
Okay.
सी कौन सा?
Yeah.
It is a bit tricky, right? So now, for example, we have verb retourner. We have verb retourner because these all are my être family verb, right? Retourner. C'est clair? Why? Have you done?
Oui.
Retourner is my verb
It
to return, to turn back, right? Retourner. So can you conjugate retourner verb? Tell me. Ear हटाना है and you have to conjugate. And the paper of retourner is what? E ague, and you have to use at the family verb with retourner, je suis retourné. Can you do that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Can you do that?
Je retourne. Yes, sir.
Je suis retourné. Claire?
Yes.
Can you? Okay, मुझे करके मुझे अच्छा okay. Make it out in a notepad and send back to me अभी in my WhatsApp. इसको करो, and meanwhile I'm going to send you a new link, right? You have to
Yes.
you have to write down tombe verb, Tomber, and send back to me in my WhatsApp. These all are e-learning verb. You can do that. You can do this, right? Tombe is my verb to fell down. As the family verb, present and past you have to conjugate to fell down. Retourne, Claire, ale. You know ale conjugation in terms of present? Ale conjugation.
Mm-hmm.
What is ale conjugation in terms of present? Tell me, Manpreet and Summer. Ale,
Ye,
ye,
uh,
way,
Yahweh,
yuva, right?
Yahweh. Mm-hmm.
So,
You
and
are.
the passive composite of ale is what? Pepe. E ague and je suis allé, tu es allé. Claire? D'accord? So you have to conjugate tombe verb, you have to conjugate ale verb, present and past, you have to conjugate arrive verb. E running verb hai. It's very simple. Arrive verb, retourne verb. Claire? D'accord?
Yes.
Okay. 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 I'm going to send you a different link. Meanwhile, send me all those present and past. The tourne tombe ale arrive in my WhatsApp. Your time starts now. Make it fast. Why? I'm going to send you a different link.